What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Jay back with another. Let me fix my hat real quick. It's your boy Jay with another dope review, and today I'm gonna go over one of my favorite new kicks that I just caught recently. It's gonna be a part of the Pump It Up campaign for Reebok. And again, it's your boy Jay, aka J Nee, aka Bach Boys Forever. So these are the Pump Omni Zone 2s. So let's check out this dope box, little custom box by Reebok. Check it out. A lot of good dope detail. With this little, little action. Sound really dope. So outside the box, you can check these dope kicks out. I didn't really know about these kicks until I seen an earlier release of some other colorways. But when I seen these, I was like, it's a must-have. I have to get these. Really fly. The history of these kicks, it really got famous in '91 by D Brown from the Celtics. Yeah, Boston Energy real quick. It was really famous when he pumped it up. So he went in there and won the dunk contest. This colorway is more of almost like an off-white, or you could say chalk colorway with some navy blue on top, and this kind of gold color on certain parts of the shoe. Let's take a look at under. You can see the hexalite technology right here of the shoe. The color is navy blue, just kind of close to gold color, and the off-white chalk color. So the reason why I purchased these shoes is just really dope. It kind of remind me of a couple of pairs of Jordans. I think most likely the ones. I'm not a Jordan guy, but when I seen it, I was like, oh, this is definitely a shoe for me. When looking at this kit, you can see this kind of plastic material that runs around here. It's going to be that off-white color with blue. Then it has this mesh color, blue color. You can see in the certain areas of the shoe, top and the inside parts as well. Really dope. Close for you guys to see. I love the detail on this shoe. If you look, a lot of prime detail. You can see the detail of the tongue, the pump, and right under it says Reebok, and it says basketball. Remember, these was originally basketball kicks in the early 90s, 80s, and 90s. Really dope. That's this little joint right here as well. Yeah, I like it. Really dope. I'm definitely gonna pull these out in the summer. Don't forget to like, to follow, leave a comment. Let me know how you feel about these, and let's go from there. I'm gonna be dropping more videos, some dope stuff, and it's not only gonna be about kicks. So, alright, so let's get into the on-foot review. Check it out.